Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have got a Poundland haul and random shopping bits. My assistant is here as well, but she doesn't want to come on camera. It's my daughter. So yeah, so she's just say hello.
Hiya.
So there she is. Right, so random haul. We've got some other stuff as well. It's not from Poundland, just one product though. It's from Amazon. So we have got these, which is the Furs and Purrs Kitty Bites. And yeah, so these are cat treats and they're tasty and chewy. I am sure that they are good for kittens. They haven't got none of the bad stuff in. I checked. These have got duck bites, vegetable protein, and stuff like that. So they were only £1. And then the next item, what we're going to go along with, we get all of the pet stuff out the road first, which is these cat litter bags. It's got a lovely kitty cat on there, picture of one. And they're not cat litter bag. Yeah, the cat litter liners, not bags. Super good. We'll just have a look at see what they are like. How big are they? Because I was wondering how big they are. Yeah. So they are. If I can tear one off, they look like that. They're that size. So about, and keep on going. So that is them. They are very, very thick, super good, and really a necessity if you have cats.
Yeah.
Oh, and the next item, if you could hear it jingling, it is a new cat toy. I thought I'd get it. So yeah, it does have a bell on it. Only £1.
Not a big fan of bells, is she?
No, Bonnie's not a big fan of bells, but
She likes the gang.
she will like the feathers. Super cool. So, and I got my dogs some of these, which is these minerals, calcium to keep bones strong, and they have vitamin E in them and omega-3 in them. So these is the Jumbones, beef and poultry ones, and they're only £1 in Poundland. And so I don't think I have any more pet stuff, do I? Right, so now we'll move on to my guilty pleasures, which is the Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats, but these are the Kit Kat orange ones, and you get 9 for only £1. And I got 2 packets of those.
One for me.
No. My daughter is saying one for her. No. She does not do that. Get
One
that.
for me, one for you.
Alright, okay then. Okay then, we'll be on with that. One each.
Yeah.
But then I'll have these.
One with these.
And you don't know what these are. These are the Skittles smoothies. And these are vegetarian. So I checked to see if they are. Because
All Skittles are vegetarian.
all Skittles are vegetarian, by the way. So yeah. They're the smoothie ones. And these they're like they're a blend of fruit and yogurt. So you get a banana one, a pineapple one, an apricot one, a raspberry one, and a blueberry one, all mixed with like a yogurty taste.
They're very nice.
Super. Happy. So
I'll
there
put
we
my
go.
Kit Kats for them.
Now she's wanting to swap her Kit Kats with these. I don't know whether I might do that. Right, now we're going to move on to the homeware bits.
Oh, there's another one.
Pass us that one then. Now these, I just thought I would, because I suffer with anxiety and all of that and depression, I thought that I would have a little bit of greenery in my room. So I went to Poundland and I got these for £1. And what it is it's a planter, and it comes with this little metal thing. And all you do is you pop it in there like that, and what's good about them is you can actually move these, so you can fill them out.
You can take that out and put a real plant in there.
Yeah, and you could actually put a real plant in there if you wanted to, but I'm lazy and I would never look after a real plant, so these fake ones do me perfectly, but they look super real and nice.
I don't understand.
I like that.
You can keep a plant alive and you can keep 3 kids alive. I never understood that.
And this one is the other one, which I do like, really is quite nice. I like that. So that's just going to go beside my bed. And yeah. And I'm lazy sometimes, so I get these because I can't be bothered to wash up. And again, another lazy one, which is the nicer folks. These are the thermal plates and they are 9-inch. So if you're on a diet and you're going by the diet plate, this is the 9-inch plate that you are supposed to stick to. And this is another one for cat litters and cat litter trays and everything else, and cleaning your benches, which is a biodegradable detox multi-surface wipes. They are brilliant. And okay, so don't chuck this. This is an expensive item. Right, okay, so this is my steam. This is my steam iron, and what I will do is I will do a little video on this to demonstrate how to use it, because I've never used it. I fancied it, so because I use a steamer all the time at work, so I wanted to know if it's really any good at steaming your clothes.
Did you show these or did you dump them out?
I showed them, so yeah. Oh, the last item is this. I got this from my little kitty, so I know where she is on a night. And
just to specify, you won't be leaving it on.
I won't be leaving it on her all the time because they really aren't safe, but I just got it just so I know what she is. And yeah, so that is the end of my little haul. If you liked it, put your fingers up, thumbs up, subscribe and comment and hit the notification bell, and you will know when I upload. Bye for now.